7-year-old Liu Yanxi and 9-year-old Liu Yanchen are not only brothers, but also teammates of the ice hockey team of the Heping Street No. 1 Primary School in Shenyang, northeast China's Liaoning Province.
我今年7岁，我学习冰球已经1年半了。我在场上打的是后卫，但是我最喜欢打前锋，
因为冰球能让我变得更勇敢、自信，而且还能和小伙伴们一起团结协作，打好比赛。
我摔倒的时候，哥哥会扶我起来，还会帮我系一鞋带。我打冰球后变得更勇敢、更坚强了，还变得更自信了。
这是我和弟弟的默契，我敲杆的时候，弟弟就会知道他要给我球。
我们上场很有默契，因为我可以传球给他，他可以直接打门。
我和弟弟最大的梦想是参加冬奥会，为国争光。
这哥俩有共同的爱好，都加入了我们的冰球队。在冰球训练当中呢，非常刻苦，他的冰球技能增长得非常快，这就是我们冰球运动为我们孩子带来的一个收获。
Official data show that over 30% of students in primary and middle schools in Shenyang have engaged in winter sports. According to statistics released on Wednesday by China's National Bureau of Statistics, over 346 million Chinese people have participated in winter sports activities since Beijing's successful bid for the 2022 Winter Olympics in 2015. The survey says that China's commitment to engage 300 million people in winter sports has already become a reality.